Hello friends, my name is Irshad Usmani and I have 17 years of SAP experience. Today I am going to discuss career options in SAP and how to learn it. So what is SAP? SAP is an ERP system and it's made by a German company, SAP. So SAP basically integrates all the modules of any organization like sales, purchase, finance, human resources, production planning, quality management, warehouse management. So it provides a complete business solution for any organization. SAP Solver consists of screens. This is a graphical user interface. We call it GUI, and it's a blue screen. So you log in and do the business activities depending upon your area. If you are from sales, you can do the sales activities. If you are from procurement department, you can do the procurement activities, and if you are from finance department, you can do the finance activities like accounts payable, account receivable. SAP has a graphical user interface, but in the newer version, SAP has come up with new solution which is Fury based application. So it is web based solution. Although there is very little change in these two versions, but if you learn any of them, that is fine. There is no distinction. So who can learn SAP? If you are coming from BTech background, BCA, MCA, MBA, BSc, BCom, MCom, or if you are already working in some industry sectors like sales, purchase, finance, production, quality, you have prior knowledge of these business, then you can learn SAP. Duration wise, to learn SAP, it will require around 3 months time. So in 3 months, initial 2 months, you will learn the theory and hands-on, and you'll keep 1 month for the interview preparation. So the course structure is like theory, hands-on, and finally the interview preparation. Salary-wise, you can Google it and you can find, what salary you'll be getting in your respective areas. Growth-wise, there is exponential growth in SAP. There is graphical representation of SAP. So SAP combines or integrates all the modules of the organization like finance, inventory, human resource, production planning, purchasing, sales, etc. There's a beautiful quote to get motivated. Success usually comes to those who are too busy looking for it. So hope you are looking for the success. You are here and SAP can offer you. So don't be surprised. I was on the left side, but now I'm on the right side. To choose career in SAP, basically it's divided into three main sections: basis consultant, technical consultant, functional consultant. So basis consultant provides the infrastructure, server, memory, all the networkings and authorization. So if you are coming from networking background, then this is very useful. Technical consultant. In SAP, programming is done with help of ABAP language, Advanced Business Application Programming. If you are coming from programming background, if you have done some coding in C, C++, Java, .NET, or in any programming language, this area is very useful for you. You can make career in ABAP programming, which is the technical part of SAP. Finally, functional consultant. These are business specialists and they know how to do the business in respective areas like sales, purchase, finance. They know how the companies run these businesses. So you can become, if you are coming from sales, then SD module is suitable for you. If you are coming from procurement background, then SAP material management is suitable for you. If you are coming from finance background, then FI module is suitable for you. There are many more modules. Basis consultant. So basically they provide the infrastructure. They do the server maintenance, networks, roles, authorization, patches, upgrades. So these are the activities of a basis consultant. It's mostly technical. So if you are coming from networking or any technical background, this is good area. Technical consultant in SAP are known as ABAP consultant because they do the programming in ABAP language, which is Advanced Business Application Programming. As I told you, this is a programming language of SAP, and it is very similar to other programming languages. They have taken the idea from C, C++, Java, and other languages. So SAP provides the editor. You go there and do the coding. And it can be for any reports, enhancement, interfaces. You can develop forms. So if you are coming from any programming language background, this area is very suitable for you. Majority of the consultant in SAP will be functional consultant, and these are business facing people. They know the business very well, and if you like a client facing role, and if you are very talkative and like traveling as well, then functional consultant is the role for you. And you can be sales and distribution module uh, consultant, and you can be consultant, which is material management. You can be a FI consultant, you can be production planning consultant, HR consultant, QM consultant. So QM is quality management. So functional consultants basically they do the requirement gathering from the client, what they want. They document it, and they map the solution in SAP. They do the testing. They provide the support, production support as well. So it's a very interesting. Now, how to become SAP consultant? So first of all, choose the area where you are comfortable. If you like networking or technical, go to basis. And if you are good in programming, choose the ABAP. And if you like a business facing role, this is functional consultant. So I'll suggest take training online or classroom. There are so many websites you can Google and find the online training. They'll charge for it, and it will be reasonable. You can choose the best one for you. Set the timeline, schedule it so that once you start, then finally get the job. That should be your goal. Learning wise, the course content will be 50% theory and 50% hands on. So, theory, how the things happen, and hands on, how to do in SAP. And participate group of SAP consultants, forums, friends, like minded, optimistic people, those who are trying to change their career and trying to get job in SAP. One suggestion is stay away from people those who do demotivate and discourage, because only few people will be happy with your success. So be self motivated, try hard, you will be successful. How SAP looks like? There's an example of sales order creation. So when you log in, you'll get the blue screen, and with the help of transaction code, you'll go to sales order creation screen. So here, there are some information like sold to party, ship to party, what is the requested delivery date, material, what will be the quantity. So these information will be filled, and once you save, the sales order will be created for the customer. There is another example how to create purchase order. So SAP runs on transaction code. So if you see number one on the top left, it says ME21N, which is for creation of purchase order. So number second, you fill the vendor. Third, you fill the material. Fourth, you fill the quantity and save it. The purchase order will be sent to the vendor. Okay, whatever you want to buy. For ABAP programming, the screen something looks like this. So SAP provides the ABAP editor. You go and write the code, and there's another editor for the function modules. This is for the reports. You can develop forms in another transaction. You can do the interfaces. So there are so many options in ABAP programming. So this is suitable for the uh, people who come from the programming background or they like the coding. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share it. And I'll be very happy to reply any of your queries, questions if you have. Happy learning. Thank you. Bye.